Hi guys, welcome back. It's me again, Trish Juliano. And now I'm going to present to you the lesson 2 of our complete AutoCAD training course for 2D and 3D. And this lesson 2 is all about modify commands, no? So natapos nyo ba ang panoorin yung ating lesson 1? May natutunan ba kayo sa lesson 1? Sa lahat ng mga drawing natin sa lesson 1, pwede nating i-modify and i-edit using these modify commands na i-discuss natin dito sa lesson 2. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na, let's go to our lesson 2. Ayan. So, these are the commands that we are going to use to modify our drawings. Modify, edit our drawings. No? Ayan. Punta muna tayo kay AutoCAD. Ayan. So, ito yung drawings na ginawa natin from our previous video, yung ating lesson 1, no? Okay, so our first modify commands that we're going to use is the erase. Okay. So, to erase the object, so if we point our cursor in here, you will see the circle has been highlighted. Ayan. So, if you want to erase this circle, we can select the circle by clicking it using the left button of our mouse. Yan. And simply type E, then enter. So, that's it. Your object has been erased. No? We can also multiple select the objects that we want to erase. So, for example, I want to delete these 3 points in here or erase. So, I will choose this by clicking it like that. So, these points are already been selected kapag nag-highlight na siya ng blue, no? Like this. Excuse me. So, last command na ginawa natin is the erase command. So, after clicking these 3 points, we can press the space bar. So, that's it. The 3 points have already been erased. No? Kasi yung last command na ginawa natin is the erase command. So, when I press the space bar, nawala yung ating 3 points or the selected objects, no, na selected objects na pinili natin, no? Selected na nga, pinili pa. Ayan. So, we can also select this line if you want to erase it. So, if the previous command again that you do is the erase command, so we can just press the space bar. And then, that's it, no? No need to type letter E and then enter to erase the line if you're going to repeat the command that you have done, no? Ayan. So, after nating mag-erase, lahat na lang in-erase natin. So, kunwari, no, ayoko palang i-erase yun, ba't ko ba na-erase yun? No? We can undo whatever has been erased, no? So, kunwari yung line, i-erase natin kanina. Pero ayoko pala, bakit ko ba in-erase yun? Hindi ko pala dapat i-erase yun. So, we can undo the erasing. So, we can just type letter U and then enter. Uy, hindi gumana dito. So, maybe we can type the whole word, undo. Ayan. So, Okay, dito sa 2016 AutoCAD that I'm using, the U is not the shortcut for undo, no? So, let's change our PowerPoint. Let's change our PowerPoint. Ayan. So, you can make it undo. Ayan. So, we just erase it. Ayan. So, dito pala sa version ko, the undo is not like that. So, I need to type the whole, the 4 letters, the undo word, to undo the last command that we have made. No? So, let's go back to CAD. So, let's check. So, okay, let's do some different commands, no? I want to make, okay, so line command, I also use the erase command, and I want to undo the last command that I did, no? So, type undo, enter. So, enter the number of ang hinihingi dito sa atin ay pag undo, enter the number of operations to undo. So, ilang beses ba yung anong operations ba yung ginawa mo na gusto mong i-undo? So, kunwari, yung 1. So, 1. No? Nag-move lang siya. That is the last command na ginawa natin. So, try natin. Undo. So, i-undo natin mga ilan ba? 3. So, kung makita natin, nawala lahat, no? Kasi, dun sa 3 na yun, yung ating lines, yung pang third, no? So, kaya nabura yung mga lines natin. So, yun yung nag-undo sa panga. Okay. Ayan. So, kunwari, undo natin the last line that we have made. So, 1. O, makikita natin, okay. So, the last command that we have made, yun yung, yun yung mawawala. No? Mawawala yung huling command na ginawa natin. We also have here other options like auto. So, when you type the auto, so, hinihingi uli sa atin. Pag nag-auto mode tayo, enter undo auto mode. So, turn it on. Okay. So, pag nag-undo tayo, okay, send the number of operation that has been made. Walang nagbago, di ba? Kasi ang huling command na ginawa natin is yung undo na binago natin yung option natin, which is the auto undo, no? Okay. So now, let's try the third command, which is the oops command. So, oops command, ito yung ina-undo niya yung huling bagay na in-erase natin or ibinabalik yung huling bagay na in-erase natin. So, pag nag-oops tayo, type natin yung whole word. Uy, oops. Kasi ito yung huli pala nating dinelete or in-erase kanina. So, try natin i-erase itong circle. No? Enter. And then, gawa tayo ng isang line. I mean, 2 lines. Then, we will try the oops, no? Oops command. Just type the word. Okay. So, bumalik, no? Na-restore yung ating circle na ginawa. no? In-erase kanina. No, kasi mapapansin nyo, kanina, balikan natin. In-erase ko tong circle na to, then gumawa ako ng lines dito. Pero nung nag-oops ako, oops command, when I use the oops command, this circle has been restored. No? So that is the function of the oops command, to restore the last object that you have been erased. No? Yan. So that is the difference between undo and oops. So undo, you will undo the last command or your previous commands that has been made. Pagdating dito sa oops, it will restore the last object that you erased. No? So, yun yung pagkakaiba pala nila. Akala ko dati magkatulad lang sila. No? And now, our fourth command is the move command. No? Ano ba yung move? Siyempre, igagalaw lang natin yan. Let's move it. Okay, so let's move this circle. So, when we move an object or objects, so we can select the object first before making the command or typing the command, no? So it means that the object has been selected. This specific object has been selected to do the command, no? So example, type natin yung move or M. Letter M, move. And then, ayan, may hinihingi sa atin. So, specify natin yung base point na gusto nating maging basis of our moving, no? So, kunwari gusto natin, itong quadrant na to is idikit natin dito sa isang quadrant ng isang circle, no? So, ayan. This circle has been moved from this position to the quadrant of this smaller circle. No? So, yun yung ating move. No? Pwede naman, kunwari, itong circle na to, ilipat naman natin siya na magiging same ang kanilang center point nitong isang circle na nasa right side. No? So, let's type letter M, move. So, let's locate the center point. So, this is the center point and this is the basis of your moving. So, this is the center point of our circle. Second circle, no? Ayan. So, this circle has been moved to the center point of the smaller circle. No? Ayan. So, meron pa kaninang ayan. So, when we type the command first, the next that is being asked to us is selecting the object. So, if you want to select this object, so you can drag this using window. And then, after selecting, you can press enter. So, you can specify the base point of your moving. So, select natin yung center point. Ako gusto nating i-move dito sa center point nitong mga maliliit na circle. So, that's it. No? Gumalaw na sila. Ayan. So, let's try the displacement option of move. Okay, move. So, select the circles. And I will also select these circles. Okay, so we have here displacement. D, let's try D. Okay. I guess what is being asked to us is we need to specify the specific displacement of or specific location of our drawing using coordinates, no? Makikita natin dito, meron tatlong locations. So that is for I think no X, Y, Z. So, try natin. 0, 0 sila lahat. 0, 0 na lang, no? 0, 0, 0. Ayun. Oh, okay. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nag-move yung ating circle kasi hindi gumalaw yung displacement natin. So, let's try it again. So we can select this 4 circles and try the move with specific displacement. So D. Yes, let's change the value. Maybe 1, 0, 3. So just to make, just to see if it has been moved. Okay. So it has been moved, right? Ayan. So makikita natin, ito yung nandito yung center niya kanina, 'di ba? Yan. So na-move lahat ng circle natin into a specific position using the coordinate position, no? Given the x, y, and z coordinates, no? Ayan. So let's proceed to our next command, which is the copy command. So, syempre, pag copy, kopya. Naku, ang daming magaling dito sa pagkopya. Yan. So, for example, we want to copy these 4 circles. So, kasi pag move, when we move this circle, syempre gagalaw siya. Lilipat siya sa ibang displacement. Lilipat siya sa ibang location. Pero when we copy, these original drawings will remain in its original position. No? So, if I want to copy this circle, so you can select the circles first, and then type the command. So, copy or CO, enter, or CP, then enter. That is also the command. Ayan, and then it is, may tinatanong na naman. So, if you want to copy the base point, I mean, specify the base point of our ayan. So, I will pick the center point of this circle, and I can now do the multiple copying of this circle. So, kunwari, gusto ko dito sa endpoint, or again, I will put this in this endpoint and this endpoint, no? Multiple copies. So, if we try the command first, no? We will type the command first, copy, and then selecting the object. And then, after we selecting the object, we can enter to proceed to the specification of base point. So, basis of your copying, no? Ayan. So, same. We can multiple copies our circles, no? And we can choose if we want to copy it in array, or we want to exit or undo the last circles that we've copied, no? So let's try yung array. Ano ba tong array? So ayan, merong tinatanong sa atin, enter the number of items to array. So example, I want to array 5 items and specify the second point. Ayan, so makikita natin dito, if I want to put the second point in here, ayan, parang isa lang siyang kumopya, no? Pero makikita natin, ayan, ito yung ibig sabihin ng array. Ayan, nagkaroon na siya ng hilera, no? Ito yung kanina lumabas, no? Horizontal, nag-array siya horizontally, nag-copy yung ating circles. Ayan. So, after our copy command, let's proceed to another modify command, and this is the offset command. So, pag offset, we will just press the letter O, then enter, para magawa natin itong command na ito. And then, ano ba sabihin itong offset na to, diba? So, offset, we will copy an object in a specific distance. No? Kung paulit-ulit mo siyang ikakopy, pwede natin gamitin itong offset. no? So offset, we can offset different objects, no? Ayan. So example, I will press F8. F8. So nakita natin, nag-highlight itong auto mode. Auto mode, ayan. So F8. When your auto mode is turned on, all the lines that will be drawn in your CAD will be straight lines. So either horizontal, vertical, basta walang tabingi. So when you make it line like this, diba? Kahit saan-saan nyo ilagay, upward, downward, it will be just straight line, no? So let's try the offset. No, I want to make a line with 100 uh, 100 meters long. Ayan, so makita natin. Ito na yung ating line na 100 meters long. Or 100 units, no? Kasi hindi naman naka-specify sa atin kung ano ba yung units. No? So, offset. We just need to press O, then enter. And then, ayan, may hinihingi sa atin. Specify the offset distance. Ano ba yung distansya nung line mo sa isa't isa? So, maybe we can 10. I will try 10. No? Yan. So, after we input the offset distance, and then we will select the object that we want to offset. So, ayan. When we select the object, you will click the left button of your mouse to whatever side that you want this line to be copied. No? Ayan. So, I want it to be copied downward, below the previous line. So, just click the downward. No? Ayan. So, kung gusto naman natin ito, dito sa taas natin siya i-copy. So, just select this object and then put your cursor above the line. So, wala pang kiniklik ha. Nilagay ko pa lang yung mouse ko dito sa ibabaw. Ayan, makikita natin, lumilitaw na yung line. No? Ayan. So, hindi pa siya totoong lang. Hindi pa siya yung totoo. Makikita natin. Kasi hindi ko pa kiniklik. Pinapakita lang niya kung ano yung posibleng mangyari. No? Ayan. So, pag kinlik ko tong upper part of the line, ayan, makikita natin. Nag-copy na yung line dun sa itaas niya. No? Ayan. So, pwede rin nating offset ang circle. So, let's try circle. Ayan. And I also want to make a circle with a radius of 5. Ayan. So, this is our circle. And we can offset it. No? The circle can also be offset. So, offset. O, then enter. And then, we select the offset distance. So, I will just press the enter or the space bar because there is a value. You can see there's a 10 value because this is the offset distance that we used earlier. So, yun yung naging default niya. No? So, we can change it by typing here. But if we don't want to change it, we just press the enter. No? And then, ayan. So, makikita natin the circle has been offset outward, no? Kasi pag inward, hindi na pwede. Offset, ayan o, cannot offset that object because our radius of the circle is 5, no? So, it is impossible to offset it by 10. Ayan. Okay. So, to end this command, if you want to end the offset command, you just press the space bar or the enter, no? Okay, the last command that we're going to use is the trim command. So, what is this trim? No, trim. Trim is like cutting the edges of, or ikakat natin yung mga labis, no? O yung mga ayaw natin, no? So, let's try na ikat natin itong mga ito. Yan, yung mga yan. Alisin natin dun sa loob ng circle. Kunwari, ayoko sila nang nandyan. No? So, let's try it. We can encode the TR first. So, that is the shortcut for trim, TR, then enter. Ayan. After, this is my technique. This is my technique of trimming objects. No? After, uh, after entering the trim command, I will click the right button of the mouse. Okay, so iba na yung sinabi sa atin, di ba? Diyan sa baba, makikita natin. So, we can fence, cross, project, edge, erase, and undo. No? Okay. Or, we can select the object or objects. So, we can multiple select the objects that we want to trim. So, example, I want to, ayan, erase or trim this line. No? At, kunwari, ito rin, sabay-sabay ko na sila. Oops. Ayun. O, diba? Ayan. So, itong dalawang to, gusto ko sila alisin dyan. So, we can select these lines by using ayan, this window. No? Ayan. So, makikita natin, malinis na yung ating circle. Na-trim na yung mga lines. No? So, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, we can multiple select. No? So, I will end this command. I will just press the space bar or the enter of your keyboard. Then I will make a line like this. Or I will just offset it, no? So from the previous command that we made earlier, so offset, enter, and then the offset distance that is given to us is the previous offset distance. So I will just use this value. So I will just press enter or space bar. Ayan. So makikita natin. So in the right side, I'm not clicking anything. I'm just moving my mouse to the right side of this line. So this is the what it will looks like. Ayan. So I will press the click the left button to select this position. No? Okay. So if I want to trim this part only, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 lines in the middle of this line, 2 lines, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. So itong line na to. Yun lang yung ititrim natin. So pwedeng-pwede siya. Just type TR, the shortcut for trim, then enter. You can also enter. Press another enter or space bar. Kasi pwede rin yung right click, no? Pwede rin space bar. Ayan. So, we will select the object that we want to trim. So, kagaya sabi ko kanina, ito, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we can choose these 4 lines nang sabay-sabay. No? Ayan. So, makikita natin, naputol na sila. O, diba? So, let's clean the edges. No? So, we can select all these objects or all these lines na nasa labas. Yan. Yan. And we can also pack. Mapapansin nyo na ito ay hindi nag-trim. These lines. No? Bakit? Okay, so when we click these lines, makita natin na ito na yung endpoint niya sa dulo ng mga lines. So, kapag isang linya na lang siya, hindi na siya pwedeng maputol. Kasi mapuputol lang yung isang linya kapag meron tayong isang object kung saan lumagpas siya. Pero dahil hindi naman siya lumagpas, dito sa dalawang lines na yan, hindi na siya, wala na mapuputol sa kanya, di ba? So, ang puputulin lang natin yung mga lumagpas. No? So, dahil isang object na lang siya, hindi na siya mapuputol. Hindi na sila mapuputol. Ayan. So, if you want to remove these lines, just erase it. No? So, using our erase option. So, enter. Ayan. Nawala yung ating lines. Kasi hindi na sila pwedeng matrim. So, this line, it can be trimmed, no? Kasi ito yung boundary natin ng ito yung magiging boundary natin yan. Yung dalawang lines na yan. So, TR, enter. Enter again. So, select this part of the line. Ayan. So, makikita natin na trim. Pero pag ito, ititrim na uli natin. So, hindi na ulit pwede. No? Itong dalawang lines na to. Dahil, wala na silang boundary. Ito na yung boundary nila, oh. Ito na. Wala nang lumagpas. No? Kaya, hindi na siya na-trim. No? So, ang matitrim lang ay yung mga objects or mga lines na lumagpas doon sa ating boundary. No? So, ikaw, wag kang palagpas-lagpas sa mga boundary na hindi naman sa'yo. Baka itrim ka. Yan. Oh my gosh. Nandun na naman pala ako sa PowerPoint. Sa PowerPoint. Nasa PowerPoint pala ako. So, balikan natin ang saan tayo babalik? Hindi ko na alam. Okay. Balik na lang tayo sa copy. Copy. Okay, so copy, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ayan o, marami na tayong kinapi. At, ayan. Ito na yung mga nagawa ko kanina. Habang daldal ako ng daldal, lumipat na naman pala sa PowerPoint yung aking screen. Okay, so ayan. Ito yung mga nagawa ko na kanina. So, I will just copy these 3 circles, no? Select the circle. CO. Enter. Ayan. So, mapapansin nyo, dahil ako ay naka-on ang aking ortho, so, horizontally, straight line, horizontally lang siya. No? Makakopy lang siya ng horizontal. Hindi gaya kanina na random. No? So, if we press the F8, ayan, nag-off na yung ating ortho. So, we can copy it randomly. Put it randomly in a, ayan, like that. So, next is the offset. No? So, gaya ng diniscuss ko kanina. Oh, I will turn the ortho mode on. I will make the line straight line. Okay. So, offset. I will want to copy this line in equal distances. No? So, I will use the offset. I will copy it into many lines with distance of 10 units. No? So, I will type O, then enter. That's the shortcut for offset command. And I will specify the distance, the offset distance. No? So, earlier, I input 10. So, I will make it 15 this time. Ayan. And then, let's select the object that we want to offset. Ayan. So, I'm not clicking it. I'm just pointing my mouse. So, makita natin na nasa baba. No? Nasa baba ng line. Yung isa pang line na gusto nating kopyahin. No? So, if we want to copy it above yung isang line mo, so place it above the line. Place it below the line. No? Ayan. Let's make another line. No? And I will offset it. Oh, mali. Offset. into the same offset distance, 15. So I will just enter, is press enter. Okay, so it's time for me to select the objects that I want to offset. Ayan, diba? Ito na yung ating ah, lines kanina. O, diba? Mas madali kaysa gumawa ka pa ng gumawa ng mga lines. Tapos susukatin mo pa siya isa-isa kung siya ba'y eksakto ang distances sa bawat isa. Ayan. So, I want to end this command. I will just press the space bar or the enter key of our keyboard. No? Okay, so let's proceed to trim. So if we want to use this command, just type TR, then enter. We can use the right click, no? The right button of the mouse, or just enter again. Press the enter again to make our trimming more easier, no? Para ma-select na yung gusto nating i-select lahat. Ayan. So, you just use the window and then the selected objects has been trimmed, no? Ayan. So, ang ititrim lang, kagaya ng sinasabi ko kanina, yung mga labis sa ating boundary. So, this will be our boundary. Ito, ayan yung line na yan. So, this will be the boundary of our cutting or trimming, no? So, we will trim, or I will trim all these excess edges, excess lines, no? Ayan. So, kagaya nga ng sinasabi ko kanina, hindi ko alam kung nagpo-project ba sa screen yung AutoCAD kanina habang nag-trim ako. Ayan. So, itong pag-trim natin, hindi natin na matitrim to kasi wala nang excess objects or excess lines sa ating boundary. So, ito na yung boundary natin. Itong dalawang lines na yan. So, hindi na natin siya matitrim. Pero ito, ayan, itong line na to, matitrim yan. Nakita natin, parang nagiging invisible siya, no? Sa screen. Ayan, matitrim siya kasi meron siyang boundary. Ito, tsaka yan. So, matitrim siya. Ayan, kasi ito pa yun, oh. Tapos ito, pwede pa natin siyang matrim kasi ito yung boundary niya. Ayan, ayan. No? Pero kung kagaya nito na wala na siyang excess sa boundaries. So, these lines cannot be trimmed. No? So, para mawala siya, you can just press enter, select these lines, and just erase it. So, that is the easier way. I-enter. So, makikita natin, ayan, nawala na siya. So, makikita natin, ito na yung nangyari dun sa mga lines natin. Yung mga ginawa natin, in-offset nating lines, nung na-trim natin siya, o diba? Medyo naging maganda na siyang tingnan. No? Na-trim yung mga excess edges. No? Ayan. So, I guess that is all for our modify commands. Ayan, medyo nakakawindang lang itong transition ng pag-project ng screen. Ayan, so ito na. And, natapos na natin yung lesson 2. So again, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, you can reach me in these sites and email addresses. Okay, so that's all for today. See you on lesson 3. Thank you for watching.